Hello everyone. First of all, I wish a good health to all my viewers, audience, and the people of India. And I hope that they will pass through this pandemic as soon as possible with the united will and collective determination and return to the normal days full of happiness and best of health. I would like to make a few points about this condition. Corona outbreak is a global epidemic and a new human experience that has caused certain condition and affected human life. The virus has spread to different parts of the world, regardless of geographical, ethnic, or religion boundaries, and has affected millions of people. It seems that due to the entanglement and interconnection of human life, it will be possible to get rid of this challenge when the survival cycle of this virus is cut off and stopped all over the world. This future is necessary for alliance and human solidarity. A world without any ethnic and religion geographical boundaries emphasizes the need to combat it. Today, nations are intertwined and no country can overcome this phenomenon alone without helping other countries. Corona prevalence has left many effects on human life, such as limiting social relationship, changing in some current ways, and conducting human life. Certain sense of insecurity and anxiety in the people to self, family, as well as the economic and psychological consequences because of lockdown. Corona seems to be a two-sided phenomenon. Along with its destructive and negative effects, it can become an opportunity to rebuild and improve the human lifestyle and compensate the past mistakes, especially in the field of environment and health. Corona taught us to go back home and pay more attention to our family, keeping in mind that death is a sure and an inevitable fact. Imagining eternal life is a misconception, and death can happen in the form of a simple event which we cannot even expect. Corona reminded us that religion and religion's life is not just performing ritual and in a holy place such as temples, church, and mosque, but the main essence of religion is the spiritual connection and pious thinking, as so-called ritual may have little effect on the formation of a moral and spiritual society. Corona also reminded that today human beings need to review and redefine concepts such as power and knowledge, because a nation which has the power to get benefited more by controlling these phenomena such as corona by knowledge and wisdom is more prosperous. Corona taught us that love and humanity is the key to all problems. In a society where love and humanity is the main wealth, can easily overcome problems and turn trade into an opportunity to show the beauties of humanity and love. It seems that first of all, due to human intervention and consumption of the environment and the increase of industrial and chemical pollution, pervasive repairs will become one of the daily realities of human life. So the most necessary way to deal with such crises, in addition to advancement of medical knowledge, the health and wellness system the security management and the mental health of this nation and countries can ensure a physiological calm and mental peace, which has high cultural and religious capacities and capabilities. Because what is more than any other factor can give people peace of mind, it is culture and values. Fortunately, both Iran and India have great cultural and religious capabilities that are why we see today that their success in controlling the disease is greater than any other countries. Today, the Iranian people, despite the illegitimate sanction they have faced, have been able to take a long and successful step in controlling our country through national solidarity and beautiful human relationship, as well as relying on indigenous knowledge. These days, we are witnessing compassionate human behavior in Iran, and we are witnessing a collective solidarity against this virus and the valuable cooperation of the whole nation with the government. Iranian nationals have providing financial support to vulnerable groups during this ongoing crisis, especially on the occasion of the holy month of Ramadan. Mosque and religion and culture center have become focal points for collecting donation, as well as making masks and health supplies. Iranian youths who are active in non-governmental foundations have achieved good results in producing some of diagnostic and testing devices. People are also conscious about hygienic and social distance. Many of our factoring have become focused with all its manpower for health requirement, so that today, in addition to domestic need, these items are being sent to other countries for art and culture, and also played a vital role during this pandemic. An important experience of the Iranian nation that has been able to help each other during this historical difficult situation is the power and ability of Iranians to turn this threat into opportunity, relying on their knowledge and on skills. Certainly, Corona will be end one day, but what remains are the experience and memories that human beings have left behind. Let's be together with solidarity and by reviving moral values, and let it become a part of history that future generation could remember us with the days full of hope and optimism, kindness and brotherhood. Thank you very much.